Hey guys, so first you're going to start out by warming up your polymer clay. It tends to be a little hard depending on which brand that you get. So I like to take a couple minutes just to warm the clay up so it's easy to work with. So after I feel like the clay is workable, I'm just rolling it into a fat snake, and then I'm gonna put that inside of my clay extruder. So now I'm just trimming off the excess clay, and then I'm gonna use a hexagon shaped plate. These extruders come with different plates, so yeah, the hexagon is the one that I'm going to use today. So if you're using this type of extruder, all you have to do is turn the knob and then the clay is going to come out. There's another one which is a push extruder. I actually have that, but I do not use it because it is very hard to get the polymer clay out. So yeah, what I'm doing here is just pushing the clay out. So now the next step is to measure the length of the clay. You want to make sure that your earrings are even. So I'm just cutting the excess off, and then I'm gonna make my earrings 4.5 inches. So together that's 9 inches. And then you'll see me cut it in the middle, which is 4.5. And excuse me because I know my hair is black in the view. I did not realize that my hair was in the camera, so I'm sorry about that. At this point, you can preheat your oven to the temperature that's stated in the instructions on the clay that you're using. And I'm just using a cookie cutter to help me mold the shape. Okay, so instead of leaving these plain, I decided to add some 3D flowers. So here I'm just putting some clay into my silicone mold, and then I'm going to create these little sunflowers. So now I'm just putting the clay flowers in random areas on the earrings, and I just wanted to say something. The last video that I used clay, which was the incense holder, I had this glue that bakes in the oven. Basically, you do not even need that glue. The clay sticks to the clay for some reason. It doesn't need to be adhered. So yeah, you can just put them directly on top. After you're done placing your flowers on the earrings, you're gonna bake in the oven for approximately 1 hour. Then after that, you just let it cool completely. This is optional, but I just wanted to jazz them up a bit, so I'm just gonna add rhinestones in the middle of each flower. So now that your earrings are complete, you can finish them off by gluing the post to the earring.